Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is July 27, 2019. This is my 24th episode about grep in C++. In this episode, we will implement select the first n types from a type list. More specifically, we will implement first n types t or select first n types t. This episode continues from my previous episode 23. If you haven't watched my previous episode, please double-click this link and watch my previous episode. Without further ado, let's get started. Start Visual Studio Code. In CPP extension, grep subfolder. Select grep subfolder. Click 24 first n types.cpp. Hit enter. Ctrl V, include talk play fun, output HPP, namespace, types, talk play fun, types, talk play fun, SS stream, auto, and there. Talk play fun and template type name types using type list t types type list t types template size t first n type name left list type name right list struct first n types list st. This is primary template struct first n types list st 0 type list t. This is empty. Type list t. This is also empty. Using type list t template type name right type name right types struct first n types list st 0 type list t type list t right type right types. This is also specialization using type list t template type name left types struct first n types list st 1 type list t left types type list t using type type list T left types. Now we specialize it one more. Type name, write type, type name, write types, write type, write types, write type. Now we generalize. I will copy this part once again. Size T, first N, now here using type 0 we copy this part using type 1 std conditional t first n equals 1. Then we copy this part once again and we add write type else. Please note that we are calling it recursively. Type name, we are calling it recursively. First n minus 1. We copy this part, paste once again, we modify like this. We need one more parenthesis, type. Now here using type std conditional t first n equals 0 type 0 else type 1. So this part is a little bit complex. This type function is inherently complex. Now we define type alias template size T first n type name types using I copy this name, I remove s type name, I copy it once again first n type list T type list T types type. So this is quite a lot complex. Now we will test this function first. Void test first n types list using types T type list T short int double string types T and then using T00 first n types list T 0 types T string T 0 0 T 0 0 and there we copy once again. It should be 1 1 1 1. Now we create a function main. I copy this function name, copy, paste it here, start command prompt. You should be in CPP extension graph subfolder, Clang++, std, C++17, 24, first, and types CPP, hit enter. CLS. So type lists are short, int, double. We select 0 type, then double. We select 1 type. There is some mistakes here. Let's see. I have to remove this. Like this. Now let's try once again. Okay, now it works perfectly. I will disable this part using types T, type list T. This is empty list. We try with empty list 2, CLS. In case of empty list, we select empty. Okay, so I will enable it and disable it. Now I will copy this part several times. Copy, paste, paste, paste. This is 2. I change it to 2. It should be 2. Also 2. In this case, it is 3. And this is 3. This is 3. This is 3. This is 4. This is 4. This is 4. This is 4. Okay. Now we build once again. CLS. So the result is displayed like this. Now I modify this part. I introduce one more template. Size T, first N, type name, types, struct, first N, types SD. We call this type function using type name. We copy this part, first N, type list T, type list T, types, type. I copy once again here, first N, type list T, types. Then the remainder is the same. Now I copy this part, copy, pasted using, I copy this name, paste, type name, paste once again, first and types, type. I copy this function once again, copy, paste, and I will change the type name, test first type T. Now here I will modify function name like this, and I copy this function name, copy, and paste it here. I disable it. We run once again CLS. Now it works successfully. I will copy this, copy, pasted, string, enter. I will modify it to 1, short, int, double, it should be 1, and it should be 1. I copy this part, paste, 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 paste. Now here it should be 1, 1, 1, 1. It should be 2, 2, 2, 2. It should be 3, 3, 3, 3. It should be 4, 4, 4, 4. Now we run it. CLS. Now it works perfectly, but for this case. For this case, we can introduce another one. Here we can use static assert. Static assert. First n should be less than or equal to size of types. First n out of range. And I will copy this once again, copy, and pasted it here. Now if we build, it will not work. It has error message, first n out of range. So from here, this does not work. I will disable it, Ctrl K, C, and also this part, Ctrl K, C. Now we build once again, CLS. Okay, it built successfully. Now it works properly. Implementing first n types T is quite a lot challenging for most people. In my case, I spent several hours to make this type function work correctly. I will upload complete source code to my website, extension talkplayfun.com. By the time you watch this video, you can click this link and download complete source code. If you unzip the downloaded file, you can find the complete source code in the grep subfolder. In this folder, you can find the complete source code of this episode. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.